Good afternoon, this is Paul Reiber coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. And today we're looking at a 2014 Chevy Silverado Crew Cab LT 4x4 with a 5.3 liter V8, and this is a handicapped wheelchair accessible vehicle. Yes, here at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, we specialize in making wheelchair accessible vehicles, and our vehicles are a little bit different and unique. They're not just minivans. They're Chevy Silverados, GMC Sierras, GMC Yukon XL, Chevy Suburbans, Kia Souls, Kia Sorentos, PT Cruisers. There's all sorts of different vehicles over the years. 30 years we've been in business, and we specialize in vehicles like this. Check this out. With just a push of the button, the whole entire side of the truck deploys. 42 inches, I might add. It used to be 36 inches. We've extended it 42 inches to give you tons of room to get your wheelchair in and out of the vehicle. This is a passenger side wheelchair accessible ramp lift. We also have a driver side as well that does the exact same thing on the driver side, which allows you to drive the truck from your wheelchair with hand controls if necessary. Or you can put your chair on the other side and transfer into the driver's seat. There's all sorts of different possibilities. You can drive, if you wish, from your wheelchair with Freedom Motors. And not only do you have the freedom to drive whatever you want, but you can drive in style with the cool SUVs and pickup trucks and in different unique vehicles. Look how cool this vehicle. This is a deep ocean blue, metallic I believe it's called. Super cool blue color. We've got hundreds of vehicles to choose from. We've got a big warehouse right over there, hundreds of vans inside of there, vans, trucks, SUVs, cars, crossovers, and then there's where all the magic's done right there. Freedom Motors been in business for 30 some years, over 30 years. Here's the plant where we convert all these cool vehicles into this wheelchair accessible handicapped. Now this chair that's in the passenger seat, this is the factory chair that has been customized, and it's on a platform, and there's rollers, there's a casters, wheels under this, so you can just remove this whole entire chair here. This whole entire platform comes all the way out. See the wheels down here? You can just wheel that right out and just put your wheelchair right there in that spot. There's a called the Easy Lock system. You can just back your wheelchair right into this slot here, and a bolt attaches to the bottom of your wheelchair and just slides right into the Easy Lock to keep you in place so you're not moving around as you're traveling. Pretty cool stuff. This is a 2014. It's only got 27,000 miles. It's like brand new. We can customize just about anything. If you want a brand new truck with no miles on it, this one's got only 27,000. But if you want a brand new, we can take a brand new truck and customize it for you. If you're interested in purchasing a wheelchair accessible vehicle, car, truck, SUV, van, please call 1-800-625-6335. That's Freedom Motors USA. We're in Battle Creek, Michigan. We've got a huge sales force in the field, so we will do custom in-person demonstrations right to your home. This is a four-wheel drive vehicle. You can drive it in the wintertime. In Michigan, in the Midwest here, lots of snow. So you can still drive a cool four-wheel drive vehicle from your wheelchair if you desire. Super cool. This is a beautiful truck. If you're interested in this vehicle, call 1-800-625-6335. Please subscribe to my page and let me know if you got any questions. Visit our website as well, freedommotors.com. Have a great day.